Look at this. I saw this, my pest control guy was out spraying, and I'm talking to him, I'm looking out here, I'm like, what the heck is this? And it looks like there's two pipes here. The ends have come off or something. I have no idea where they are. And this is just shooting out here. So I can see, here's the pipe. And I don't know if that's supposed to be there, or oh, look at that big old huge weed I just pulled out of there. I'm guessing there used to be some bubblers there, you know? So I gotta shut this off and fix that. This has been going on like this for a long time, I'll wager. I'm gonna look around too, see if I can't find the bubblers that maybe popped off of here. Maybe they flew out over here somewhere, because there's two of them. Isn't that something? No caps on them, no nothing. Okay, gotta fix that. I go in here where my Rainbird timer is, and see, I don't have to touch anything. This is flashing, it says 6:12. That's station 6, and it's got 12 more minutes on there. So all I have to do, I don't think I have to press on, off, or anything. I just press advance. See, I advanced it too far. See, that's station 1, 10 minutes, 2, 5, and 6. They don't even have a 3 and 4 for some reason. You just press it one more time, and then it goes back on whatever day it is. It's Thursday. Okay? And just like that, I've got it shut off. I guess I could have, see how this timer here, this button goes up to auto. I could have turned that over to off and then turn it back to auto. I mean, there's different ways you can do it on timers. Not all timers are the same, but just look at your timer, get that water off. Okay, now I can see what to do next. Let's do this. See, I just happen to have some caps. I just plug that into the end, and then I also have some drippers. And see here, this is 1 GPH pressure compensation dripper. That's gallons per hour, 1 gallon per hour dripper. And there they are. Okay? So I'm going to take that stuff out there, make a decision on what to do. And I think of what I'm going to do is put one of these on there, and then I'll put a blank cap on the other one. Well, that's kind of funky. I saw this pipe here, and there was nothing at the end, and I thought, how come I didn't see that not squirting out? And it's because, look, they put the bubbler right here at the end, and then they took the pipe and cut it, and that just drips out of that. I've never seen that before. See there? There's some more bubblers going over that way. That must have kept them from having to use a little coupling there. That bubbler looks like it just poked right on into the end. That's kind of different. The only thing I don't like about that is now you can get bugs and stuff crawling up in there, earwigs, who knows what, and plug that up more so than that. But there's a thought for you. Okay, let's fix this. I just take my little cap here, and I'm looking at this big huge bush here, and even if I were to put a bubbler here, it's just going to come down. There's nothing down here. I'm thinking this bush here probably has another bubbler inside it somewhere. It's all nice and green, it's not dying. I think I can just, for now, just gonna push these on here. Good grief, this pipe is hard as a rock. I should have grabbed my pliers, and I could push it on with that. Look at that. I gotta get my pliers. Son of a gun. Grab my pliers, then I can put that on. This is hurting my little fingers. And I looked around for the old bubblers that could have blown off of here, but I don't see them. I sure don't see them anywhere. And these pipes go down to this existing pipe here, but it's kind of underneath these roots. I don't want to dig that all out because, I mean, I could dig it out and then they'll have a coupling like this on this end, and then it'll be a little pipe fitting, and then that pushes in to the pipe. I would have to pull that out, then I could put this directly into that pipe. I could do that too, but I gotta mess with the plant. If I did that, then I would gain a coupling when I pulled this out. Okay, so I'm just gonna, there, that's better. Okay, got that pushed on there. Well, I might have to do something later on differently, but for the time being, this'll work. I can't for the life of me understand where those are, and the bubblers that had to have come off of here, but why would they have two bubblers right here? Jeez. Boy, that's hard to push in there. Okay, that should work. Okay. Yep, cross that off my list. I'm glad I saw that. That's a lot of water that's coming out of there every time those bubblers come on. If your house is hooked up to a water meter, oh boy. So every once in a while, go around on your landscape items, your drip irrigation, and see if you need to do any maintenance. It doesn't really cost much to fix things, and I know you can do it. All right. See you next time. Well, I thought I'd turn the water on and check it out, but see how it just bubbles out of that by having the bubbler right attached to the line. I've never seen that before. And I know the ones that I did are not like that. See, look at this tree. Usually this is where you see the bubblers, right up next to the tree or bush or whatever. I'm gonna check this. I thought I might as well turn it back on. Okay, fixed. I figured it would be fixed, but it's always good to check, just in case something wants to pop off on you. Yeah, it's just winter now, and in the summer I'll have to check these things out, because see this here? I've got two bubblers. Got this one and this one going to this little bush. I don't need that. I only need one there. And look, here's two more. Chances are both of those go to this little bush. And here's another one. Look at this line here. Probably comes out of here, comes up here, and it's in no man's land. It's nowhere. Now I don't know if it needs to go there or if it's just an extra one. I don't know. This little bush looks green, you know, so that might have another one going to it. I don't know if it does or not. I might as well just put that over here for now. Kind of do that business to it. But that might have one already. And if I check everything out, I'll wager that I can cap off quite a few of these and save even more water. I don't like wasting water or natural resources, and especially if you're on a water meter, you know, granted that's not very much water coming out of there. It's just drip, drip, drip. See? But you do that times 10, 15 of these throughout your landscaping, and now you've got some, especially if you've got them on every day or every other day, twice a day. These go on for 15 minutes, so drip, 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 15 minutes. Adds up. Everything adds up. Okay. I'll put that on my list for the summer to check out all of my drip irrigation pipes. Okay, I'm going to shut you off before I forget. Yeah, no sense having it on for an extra 8 minutes, right?